Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlynn.
And today we are here because we're going to be unboxing Ashlynn's Stitch Fix box. This is going to be her back to school fix. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items for adults, and children get 10 items in their boxes. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. If you keep all the items from your box, then you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you'll get to apply your $20 styling fee. The only way you lose your $20 styling fee is if you decide to keep nothing from your box. So for this box, we're asking for back to school items, and Ashlynn was looking for things like
skirts, cute dresses, some crop tops that don't show my belly, and some comfy clothes.
All right, so we're gonna get in the box to see what she has for this month. When we open up the box, right on top is a prepaid mailer envelope. This envelope is used to ship back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll use this envelope. Shipping is free both ways, which makes it really nice and convenient. And then next, you're gonna have this white envelope here, and inside this envelope is your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 17 for Ashlynn. And so we usually get her boxes about every 2 to 3 months to kind of update her wardrobe. Also inside the envelope is her style card, and it has a note from her stylist. Now she had Erica as her stylist for the longest time, and then with the last fix, she had Carly, and we have Carly again. So I'm going to read Ashlynn's note real quick. It says, "Hi Ashlynn, happy back to school fix day. I'm so glad to be jumping in with new styles to keep you trendy and stylish all day at school and at church too. I know you have been into skirts and matching sets and dresses recently, so I kept those ideas in mind when pulling this fix together for you. Try out the Walking on Sunshine dress first with the fun sleeves and ruched bodice. Layer with a cardigan as needed and finish with sandals. Beat the heat for the rest of summer with the colorful cold shoulder top and short set. Have fun, Carly." And then this just gives you pictures of the items that are in her box. And so she has 2 bundles. Let's start with the first bundle. And so here's her first bundle.
This one's really pretty.
All right, so go ahead and start opening that up. All right, so the first item we have is the commons, the Flutter sleeve ruffle detail top and short set in mint.
So here's the top.
So it's kind of a little crop top. Like I said, we don't mind crop tops, but we don't want them showing a lot of her belly. So this is really cute. It's got some like, what is that? Kind of like ruching right here. Cute flutter sleeves. It's very soft. And then the bottom looks like this, very soft. The shorts have pockets, which is good. That's really cute. So the next item is by Crown of Hearts, the Kaydin cold shoulder knit top in peach.
And so it's kind of stretchy.
It's a really cute peach little top with the cold shoulder details.
And very stretchy.
Very stretchy. Cute. All right, next. This is really pretty. So the next item is by Bailey Lane, the Ashlee Smocked Bodice dress in light pink.
Ooh, this is really cute.
So it has that little smocking right here at the top. It has some really cute kind of ruffly little straps. It's very soft. The colors are like a, kind of like a gray and a rosy kind of pink. I'm gonna get up close so you can see the colors and the print. And then it has like a little tiered ruffle down here at the bottom. That is really cute.
And really super duper soft.
And you could pair your gray cardigan with this, like when it starts to cool down.
Yeah.
The next item is by Bixby Nomad, the Smocked waist knit skirt in light pink. I would not call that light pink.
It's more like a peach.
It's like a peachy orange color. So it has like the little elastic waist. There are no shorts underneath. It is a little bit thin, so you might have to be careful about what you wear underneath of that. But
yeah,
that's really cute. And it's a good length, don't you think? Okay. And then last from this bundle is by Bailey Lane, the Faux wrap knit skirt in green. This is really cute.
It's like a mint
I really think that cold shoulder top that's kind of peachy like would look really cute with this, but it has like the little faux wrap detail right here, like it's just for decoration. It's got like a little tier here, has the stretchy waistband. Cute. All right, let's get into the second bundle. And here's the second bundle.
This one's very colorful.
I like the colors in that right there.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and open it up. All right, first in this bundle is by Walking on Sunshine, the Marcy Ruched Bust Mini Dress with Slit, and it says it's in tan.
Okay, so this dress has like puffy sleeves, and it's kind of like a pinky brownie color.
That's really, I kind of like the color, don't you? For fall. And then it has like, it says a ruched bodice, but it's not ruched a lot. So I think that's going to be really cute on. Has like a little waistband right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like a little 2-inch waistband right there. And it's not as long as I thought it was going to be from the picture. Like it's kind of probably going to hit below the knee. What do you think?
Yeah.
Cute. I actually like it better in person than I did online.
Me too.
All right, the next item is by Crown of Hearts, the Kiki Brush Cold Shoulder Top and Smocked Short Set in pink. So she has another cold shoulder top. Again, this is really, really soft. The colors are pretty. Do you like those colors?
And this is also stretchy.
Very stretchy. And then the shorts, go ahead and hold the shorts up.
Okay.
Ooh, those look like they're comfy. Let's see, do they have pockets? I don't think these have pockets.
Oh.
But they have the cute little smocked stretchy waistband at the top. And here's an up close look at the print of the shorts. Very cute. I actually really like that. And then the next item is by Society and Stich, the Lydia Boxy Graphic Tee in light gray. And gray is one of your favorite colors, right?
Yeah.
So it's a little t-shirt. What's it say?
With the tag.
It says Academy Athletic Department. Let's see.
Super duper cute.
So it has kind of like the little stitched rolled sleeves right there. Just a basic cute little t-shirt that I think you could pair with a lot of different shorts and things like that. Okay. The next item is by Bixby Nomad, the Etta Ruffle Detail Maxi Dress in dark green. This is really pretty. So here is the dress. It has a really pretty floral print. Look at the cute little flutter sleeves. Do you like that? Very stretchy. Has some elastic at the waist and a little tiered ruffle at the bottom. What do you think about that?
I think that's really cute.
Really cute. All right, so the last item is by Bixby Nomad, the Smocked Waist Knit Skirt in navy. And we were just looking at it. It kind of looks like a skirt she already has. So it's a navy skirt. I don't think it's the same one.
Like the other one had like a little thing right here, and it was kind of different colors. But
Yeah, it had more peach, and the floral print was much smaller too. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
So this one would be great for transition into fall because that burnt orange color would be really good to have for fall. Stretchy waist. Let's see, does it have shorts? Probably not. No shorts. All right, what do you think about your box?
I love it.
Really cute items. We're gonna go ahead and get ready to do a try on, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back with the first dress. And so this dress is the Bailey Lane Ashlee Smocked Bodice dress. And it is really cute. What do you think, Ashlynn?
I love it. It's so stretchy, and it also has pockets.
Yeah, and it's really soft. Has that really cute little smocked bodice. Go ahead and turn around real quick, Ashlynn. Yeah, that's really, really cute. What do you think about that one?
I love it.
She loves it. Step back so they can see the bottom of the dress. You can see the little tiered ruffle down there. Go ahead and do a spin. All right. We are going to try on the next dress, and we'll be right back. All right, second dress is by Walking on Sunshine, the Marcy Ruched Bust Mini Dress with Slit, and it's in tan. It has the kind of like ruched top here, a little band right here, the kind of puffy sleeves. It's really super soft, and then it has a slit on the dress. Go ahead and turn around real quick, Ashlynn. All right, so what do you think about this dress?
I think it's okay. It's not really my favorite.
She doesn't like how it shows the middle part, like where her belly button is. She doesn't like that. So I think it's a cute dress. I just don't know that you would actually wear it. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so We may be looking at sending that one back. All right, we'll be back with the third dress. All right, we really like this third dress. It's by Bixby Nomad, the Etta Ruffle Detail Maxi dress. And so, Ashlynn, what do you think about this dress?
I love this.
The colors are so pretty in it. It's got the cute little ruffle sleeve. It's got the elastic waist. It's super stretchy. Does it have pockets?
No,
No pockets, but it is really, really pretty.
I love this.
All right, we're gonna try on the next outfit and we'll be right back. All right, our next item is the Crown of Hearts Kiki Brush Cold Shoulder Top and Smocked Short Set. And Ashlynn, what do you think?
I think it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
She doesn't have pockets again.
Couple things that are really bugging you are the straps. How they're kind of in, kind of weird.
Yeah.
It's very soft. And she doesn't necessarily love the colors, right?
Yeah.
She's more into like grays and browns and pink, but not this much pink, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But it has a really cute elastic waist right there, smocked waist. And it's super soft and stretchy. We're just not sure about this one. We'll have to think about it.
Yeah.
All right. On to the next outfit. All right, these next two items, the top is the Crown of Hearts Kaydin Cold Shoulder Knit Top, and the bottom is by Bailey Lane, the Faux Wrap Knit Skirt. All right, Ashlynn, let's start with the top. It's another cold shoulder top. What do you think about the top?
I don't know if I really like the pink again. It's pink. And I don't know if I like them together. I like the skirt. I don't know if I like this outfit together.
Okay, let's show the skirt real quick. Lift up so it has a little waistband. It's got the faux wrap right here. It's really soft and stretchy. The skirt is really cute and soft, and we could probably pair something else with it. What do you think?
I think we could pair something else with this.
Okay. All right, we're going to try on the next outfit, and we'll be right back. All right, so Ashlynn left on the top because it's the closest thing to match the skirt. And the skirt is by Bixby Nomad, the smocked waist knit skirt. And they said it was in pink, but we said it was like a peach or an orange. All right, Ashlynn, show us the skirt. Does it have pockets? No pockets.
Sadly.
It's a little bit thin, too. Show the waist. Has a very high smocked waist, which is kind of cute. But the issue we have is what?
We have something very, very similar.
So we just, I think in the last box, got a peach skirt that had the shorts underneath of it. So it's very similar to that. So we're not sure about that skirt, but we're leaning towards maybe sending it back. Cute though.
Mm-hmm.
Comfy. Mm-hmm. All right, we're going to try on the next outfit. Be right back. All right, guys, we're back with the next two items. And on top, she has by Society and Stich, the Lydia Boxy Graphic Tee. And on the bottom, she has by Bixby Nomad, the Smocked Waist Knit Skirt. All right, Ashlynn, what do you think about these?
I love this outfit and both of the pieces.
Yeah.
I think this shirt could go with like jean shorts.
Yeah, it could go with jean shorts. We tried it on with the skirt because the skirt does have like gray in it. But you could put just about any color top with that skirt, don't you think?
Yeah.
I think the skirt has some really pretty fall colors in it.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. What do you think?
I love it.
No pockets, but that's not a deal breaker, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we have one more outfit to try on, and we'll be right back. And now we have the last outfit. This is by the Commons, the Flutter Sleeve Ruffle Detail Top plus Classic Short Set. And it's in mint. And Ashlynn, what do you think about this outfit?
I absolutely think this is a winner.
Yes, it's really cute, really soft. It has a cute little crop top, but it also has like the little high-waisted shorts underneath of it. The shorts have pockets. The material is really soft and stretchy. It's got the cute little V at the top. Do you like that part?
Yeah, I forgot to show that. Right there.
All right, so I think this might be a winner, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll be back to do a recap and talk about some prices. Alright guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices, and overall this was a really cute fix. There were some issues with some of the items that Ashlynn just didn't love, and so we'll talk about that real quick. So the first item on the list is by Bailey Lane, the Ashlee Smocked Bodice dress in light pink, and the cost of this is $28. She really loved this dress. There are the colors. It's got some gray and some like rosy pink color in there. I think it'd be great for fall. She could put a cardigan or a jean jacket over top of it, and this was really cute. Next was by the Commons, the Flutter sleeve ruffle detail smocked outfit set in mint, and this is pretty expensive. It's $42. So here's a close-up of the pattern and things like that. She absolutely loved this little smocked short set. Next was by Bailey Lane, the Faux wrap knit skirt in green, and this one is $22, and she loved the skirt. She just didn't love the top with it. And it's really soft and stretchy and comfortable. Then we have this short set by Crown of Hearts, the Kiki brush cold shoulder short set. And this is where we ran into problems. I don't think she likes the cold shoulder tops that have the little strap like this. As cute as it is, it's really soft and comfortable. She just didn't like those tiny straps for the cold shoulders. If they were thicker, it wouldn't have been a problem. And the cost of this set is $28. So I think we're sending that one back. Next we have by Bixby Nomad, the Etta Ruffle Detail Maxi dress in dark green for $30, and that's this dress right here. She absolutely loved this dress. It's soft, it's comfortable, it's stretchy. We're gonna definitely keep that. Then we have by Bixby Nomad, the Smocked waist knit skirt in navy, and that was this one. And she really liked this one. This one has some great fall colors. It has some gray, it has some white, it has burnt orange and some lighter blue, and just a really cute skirt, and she liked this one a lot, and it is $20. Next we have another Bixby Nomad Smocked waist knit skirt in light pink, $20 again. I do think we're going to send this one back because in her last fix she did receive a skirt that was similar in color to this, and so I think this one's going to go back as well. And then we had the Crown of Hearts Kaydin cold shoulder knit top in light pink, and it's $18. Again, she just did not love these little teeny tiny cold shoulder straps. That's not for her. So it's probably going back. All right, and now we have the Walking on Sunshine Marcy Ruched bust mini dress with slit and tan, and it is $28. This is really cute. She just did not love the way it was kind of form-fitting in her stomach area, and it showed her belly button through the dress. So really soft, really stretchy and comfortable. She just didn't like the way it fit around her midsection. And then last but not least, we have Society and Stich, the Lydia Boxy graphic tee in light gray for $18, and she really liked this. It looked cute with a little navy skirt, but she also thought it would look good with some jean shorts for school and things like that. So for this fix, we're probably going to be sending about 4 items back. So the stylist pick subtotal is $254. If you buy all of the items, the 10 items in the box, you get a 25% discount, which would take off $63.50. That would leave us with an order subtotal of $190.50. But then we get to take off our $20 styling fee. And so that leaves us with $170.50 for the 10 items in this box, which I don't think that's a bad price for the items that she got. So we'll be sending back about 4 of these items to kind of do the Stitch Fix math and kind of offset the price of what it would be with that buy all discount. So you guys tell me what you think. What was your favorite item from Ashlynn's Fix? If you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We do Stitch Fix unboxings for myself, my husband, and my daughter. And so I guess until next time, bye guys.